So you talk about the shades of attachment. So why is it important to understand attachment as a spectrum rather than rigid categories?
Well, our nervous systems are highly attuned and sensitive to threat. And, this aligns with my neurobiological love of the concept of neuroception, where our nervous system is designed to orient to interpersonal threat. And our brain pathways form around it. We have security, or we have insecurity, and we have developmental trauma. And our nervous systems flexibly organize our interactions to those perceptions. And what is so beautiful about the shades is that my brain will mature and be continuously informed across my lifespan so that my adaptations evolve, expand, contract, shift, reorganize, dependent on the experiences that I have, the reflective capacity that I engage in, the self-regulatory strategies that I adopt, the people that I surround myself with, and that all of the different adaptations have varying valences of intensity dependent on my perception of danger. That I don't fit in a box and respond one way in all situations. And to me, this is hopeful rather than, oh, Kim, you are anxious avoidant, or oh, Kim, you are avoidant, period. But that I have this capacity to dial in, dial out, expand, contract, even if I'm not in a therapeutic context, even if I just live in the world. And I find that much more in alignment with my own personal philosophy of the human capacity to evolve as a spirit.
And you always talk about that as the conscious evolution of the human spirit, and attachment theory and awareness really helps us to go on that journey, doesn't it?
Definitely, it's a huge component of how we might draw from that awareness to
Mm.
be more caring of ourselves.